Hi, today I want to show you one of my oldest toy. This one is I bought it about in 1978 or 79. It was quite expensive based on my pocket money at that time. So if you look at this, it is a bag saying bag of joys, and what is inside? It's like a radio or speaker, and here there's a case for battery case for C battery. I bought a battery to try it, to show it to you. I haven't used it for quite a long time. I don't know whether it's still working. Here is the button. It's a button, and you can see it here is the speaker. Let's press the button and see what happens. No, it doesn't work. Okay, now I have fixed it by cleaning the contact plate, metal plates in the motor, and let's show you how does this thing work. There's a button here. As soon as I press it, listen to it. It's quite loud. I don't know whether those new one using the microchips can play it in that loud level. Okay, now I want to open it and show you how inside the machine, how does it work. And you can see it saying something here, 1978. I think maybe that's the production year. I guess so. It's about that time. And it's made in Hong Kong. It's really rare nowadays, anything made in Hong Kong. That's really over 30 years. Okay, now I want to show you the inside of the machine. It's quite interesting. I think nowadays you still can buy those what I call it laughing machine or laughing sack, and but they are using microchip to play the sound. But the old one, the classic one, is very interesting. There's no electronic at all. There's an electrical motor, no electronic parts. And where does the sound come from? It comes from a record, like the classic record you can see here. And there's a rubber ring around here. And here is touching the record. The record goes into here. This one is the needle head. So it plays the record. And how does the sound come to the speaker? And it's very simple. The needle head is touching the speaker, not really the speaker, the plastic construction, and serve as a speaker. And as soon as the needle head here, you can see the needle head is here, and it will vibrate the speaker, then you will hear the sound. And here is the switch for the motor. If you play the record, if the motor starts running, the record will play from outside to the needle will go from the outside the ring into the middle. And let me show you. As soon as the needle head touch the handle here, then the handle will push the switch here and disconnect the power. Then the motor will stop. So let me push this here to here. So let's assume the motor already stopped. And how do I turn it back on? As soon as I press this here, the speaker will go up and the needle head will jump back to the start of the record. Watch out. Look at the needle head here. As soon as I press it, it will jump back to the outside ring. See? Then because of that one, the handle will go back and the switch will be on, and the motor start running again, so that then it will play the record, then it will go back into the middle. So just play it till the end and stop. As soon as you press the button, it will go out and play the record. There's no electronic. And how does the speed button work? As you can see, the motor is placed on the axis. You can swing a little bit the motor, yeah. And that here is a spring pressing on the motor, which is pressing to the record, the outside ring of the record. When I turn the speed button here, you can see it's not a round stick, which can change the pressure to the spring, and the pressure will go to the motor here. At the same time, that means the pressure on the outside ring of the record will change, and this is controlling the speed. So simple is that. There's no electronic. Well, I just found out the record has actually the side B as well. I never realized that you can play two different sounds. Listen to it. Isn't that fun? But I think this is not designed to change record the side every day, so because you have to unscrew it, and maybe it's only for the production when they sell it as a different device playing the bird sound or the laughing sound. And now I want to show you the speed button here. It's at the back as well, it's the same button. So listen to it. I will turn it quickly from slow to fast, and I hope you can hear the difference. Can you hear the difference? Okay, that's what it was my bag of joys. I hope you had a little bit fun and learned a little bit of the mechanic in this machine. Thank you for watching. Bye.